Science changes each year, not simply in the domain of innovation, thus it is an incredible hotspot for humiliating statements which later end up being foolish. In this rundown, we see 15 statements from researchers around the globe who might now rather they hadn't spoken. 1. Statements 1 to 5. 11,528,971. While hypothetically and actually TV might be plausible, monetarily I think of it as a difficulty, an advancement of which we need sit around time dreaming. Lee DeForest, American radio pioneer, 1926.2. Radio has no future. Lord Kelvin, British mathematician and physicist. Point 3. All-around educated individuals realize it is difficult to transmit the voice over wires, and that were it conceivable to do as such, the thing would be of no down-to-earth esteem. Editorial in the Boston Post, 18,654. The midsection, the chest and the cerebrum will always be closed from the interruption of the savvy and others conscious specialist. Sir John Eric Ericsson, surgeon to Queen Victoria, 18,735. That infection is a pussycat. Dr. Dwindle Duesberg, atomic science educator at UC Berkeley, on HIV, 19,882. Statements 6 to 10. Richmond-era Hugh McVicker 28 John Player Sons Footballers 1928 Cigarette Card 22510P6. Your cigarettes will never get well known. F. G. Alton, 1870, Stogie producer, turning down Mr. John Player 7. I see nothing but bad reasons why the perspectives given in this volume should stun the strict sentiments of anybody. Darwin, writing in Origin of Species, 18,598. X-beams are a fabrication. Lord Kelvin, once more, ca. 19,009. The purported hypotheses of Einstein are just the ravings of a brain contaminated with liberal, law-based jabber which is totally inadmissible to German men of science. Dr. Walter Gross, 194,010. With more than 50 remote vehicles as of now at a bargain here, the Japanese automobile industry isn't probably going to cut out a major cut of the US advertise. Business Week, August 2, 1968.3. Statements 11 to 15. 4361003430890DCOE6B911. Drill for oil? You mean drill into the ground to attempt to discover oil? You're insane. Workers whom Edwin L. Drake attempted to enroll to his task to penetrate for oil in 1859.12. Louis Pasteur's hypothesis of germs is ludicrous fiction. Pierre Pache, professor of physiology at Toulouse, 1872.13. Planes are fascinating toys however of no military worth. Maréchal Ferdinand Foch, professor of strategy, École Supérieure de Guerre. 14. Everything that can be designed has been created. Charles H. Jewell, Commissioner, U.S. Office of Patents, 189,915. Inside the following not many decades, automobiles will have collapsing wings that can be spread when on a straight stretch of street with the goal that the machine can get off the ground. Eddie Rickenbacker, Well-Known Science, July 1924.